Today we're going to be giving you the choice of next week's episode. We're also going to be seeing what I've been getting delivered. I've got that, this, that, potentially that, and just trying to get a little bit more organised. So we'll unbox some stuff and then we'll go through some options for next week's video. So people like an unboxing. I have no idea what this is. I can't remember. Oh, okay. It's our replacement motor for our fibre optic tree. It's a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. AC 12 volts, 4 to 6 rotations a minute, 4 watt. So we'll have to make sure we've got a power supply suitable for it, and then hopefully we can get our colour wheel on it. So we've got that. And this, oh yeah, forgot about them. I took a risk on a cheap bundle of bulbs. These were £2. These look like they're 6 volt and these look like these are 12 volt. Yeah, so they're 6 volt bulbs, which would be handy because they're like Noma style bases. And then these ones, these look like Woolworths Winfield type bulbs. Yeah, 12 volt. So I think that was a good price. And there's fuse bulbs in there as well. I just what I don't like is these sellers who put things like this for sale and say untested, not working, and don't ask me to test them. It's like, well, why would you sell? I know these things sell for money, but why would you sell it like that? Just get a battery, just test them all, and then if you get them tested and know they all work, then you'll probably get more money for them. Because they were listing them as potentially they were all blown and not willing to test them, they sold really cheap. So I'm happy I got me £2 bargain. Now this one is from, let's have a look. CO.AG Music, who is a long-time collaborator with the channel. They provide all of the music. They specially composed our theme tune to the channel. And they did a little special release, Vampires of the New World. It's available to listen to. There's links down below, or you can click that link up there. And as a one-off special for £20, you get a special concert lanyard. I'll be getting hung up on the set, most definitely. Hang that up on there, so he's always a part of the setup. And he did a USB stick which has the entire mix on it as well. An absolute legend. So for £20 I was able to help sponsor a long-time collaborator. All of our music comes from CO.AG Music. They give the channel a particular vibe that I like, and I've been following them for a long time, about 11 or 12 years now. If anybody's come across Top 5's YouTube channel, they do creepy stories, videos on ghosts, monsters, another UK creator. You've probably checked out their videos before in the past. They've got millions of subscribers, and that's how I discovered all of the sounds from CO.AG Music. Right, what's our last package got? Oh, I remember now. I've been after these for years after seeing them, but they were too expensive, but they're finally a reasonable price now. And I've just ruined the box. B22 filament style LED Pygmy bulbs. They're exactly the same as a Pygmy bulb. This is glass. They've got these LED faux filaments inside, so they give a similar look to how the bulb would look. They are constructed in the exact same way as the bulb. So rather than having filaments, they've got LEDs. All of the electronics are in the base. You can't quite see them. I wonder if we can turn the light on. We might be able to see something. All the components are in the bottom down there, but you can't quite see it because it's potted in resin. But big shout out to BigCliveDotCom. You can check out his channel up there. Scottish creator from the Isle of Man. He does a lot of tech teardowns. My setup is basically the same as his setup. I was inspired by the way he films things, and that's how we've been doing it ever since. And he pointed me in the right direction for these. Can we test them? Do I have an ability to test them? Not at the moment, I don't. I'm going to have to make a B22 adapter, so we'll do that in another video. But I've got, how many of these did I get? Oh, I can't even remember now. I think I got 25 of them, whole box full of them. And you can see there, T8, don't know what that means. 1 watt, B22. Maybe T8 is another alternative word for B22 or bayonet cap 22, which I think is 22 mil. 240 volts, 2700K. And I believe the lower the number goes, the more yellow they are, so they should be a warm white colour. So I've been after those because I've got a big project to do. Well, not a big project, just a large scale in size project for these. So we'll do those on another video. So as for next week's video, would you like to see us work on these? A set of Pifco 20 Starlights. We've done a set of Starlights before on the channel. It's an older video, but you can check it out up there. It's from about 3 years ago. And I got this set really cheap because they don't work, but they look in good condition. They're a later generation. I believe you could get them with integral shades and bulb holders, but we'll go through a video on these. If you want to see a video on them, let us know. There'll be a poll in the community section. We've got these. An old set of Gleamlites. We have a set of Gleamlites. That video is, again, probably about nearly 4 years ago. You can check out that video up there. These are in pieces and not in very good condition, but if you'd like to see a video on these and us to go through them, I mean, it's great to have them in the box and with the inlay card as well. So we've got the Gleamlites. Or would you like to see this? This is a set of lights I've been looking for years. If you remember on previous videos, I have mentioned these bulbs before, and these bulbs are unique. There are ballast bulbs, fuse bulbs, and twinkling bulbs. And these lights have a unique function where they have bulbs that randomly twinkle on their own and the rest of the set stays lit. The rest of the set does not flash. These, I have no idea if they work. They were sold as working. Again, I got them very cheap. They're a very rare set of lights. More on the later side, they got the more modern Noma logo. But if you'd like to see a video on them, let us know below. So that's going to be it for this week. Just a little unboxing and to give you all the choice of what video. In fact, instead of the video next week, how about a bonus video for Monday? We'll have a Bank Holiday Monday video for you as well. So let us know in the community section what you would like to see. There will be a poll. It will be linked down below, or you can see it up here if it'll let me. And you'll see these lights. Anyway, that's everything for this week's video, and I will catch you in a few days.